I have already primed my face using my Bobbi Brown face primer, and I also use the Sleek highlighter all over my face with a little bit of the LA Color liquid illuminated drop. So now let's jump into the eyes. I use the LA Girl brow kit to do my eyebrow, and the LA Girl concealer, no, the Makeup Revolution concealer C12 to like cut everything. So now you guys have seen that, let's jump into the eyes. So it's gonna be a very simple, nice look. So I'm going to first take this brown here, this shadow here. I'm gonna use two palettes, one from the Makeup Revolution, and then I'm gonna take this really bright orange as well. I'm gonna just like press it all over here. Like you're not going to blend, you're first going to press it all over. Try to like cut your crease, but press it all over. Just gonna take more and press, and then now you're going to like blend it. So now that you guys have get the really bright, vibrant orange, I'm going to take this color here, and then I'm gonna put it like right here. What you're going to do, I'm going to take this color here. This color and this color kind of look a little bit similar, but there is a slight difference. I'm just gonna focus that one here. I'm just gonna press it right at the outer corner and then blend it inwards. So now what you're going to do, you go in again with that orange. So now you see, you gotta see like the orange here is a little bit, the more you go, the more darker it's going. So now we're going to take this color here, like it's almost broken. I'm just gonna like suit the color. I can't even pick it. I'm gonna take this brown here because this color is like it's so broken I can't even pick it up. You're gonna take that brown and put it like here, just to like darken the color a little bit. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I think it's better. A little bit smaller, like this one. I'm going to try to blend like this upwards just to get rid of any harsh line, like right here. like that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to take this NYX jumbo pencil in milk, and I'm going to try to cut my crease. I'm just gonna like do like that. And after you're done cutting that, I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to take this yellow. I'm going to take this one, and if it doesn't work, then I'll go in with this dark yellow. The yellow is not like super pigment like the way I would want it. But it's not that bad. But I'm going to also try another palette just to see if the yellow in that palette will, and you guys can see I have a lot of fallout. You guys know what, I'm going to try another palette just to see if the pigment is going to catch like the way I want it. I don't, let me see which palette I'm going, yeah, I'm gonna try this. I'm going to take this palette. I'm going to take the yellow. Let's see if it works. I cross my finger it works. I'm going to take this bright yellow. Yeah, it's much more better. You're just going to press it, you're not going to blend. You guys can see it looks much more better. And so now the eyes is done, and also what I did is I take this NYX eyeliner, the purple one. I go in with the black, and then I finish it with this which I really like. So now that this is done, I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F15. I'm going to use this all over my face. So now that everything is blended, I'm going to take the C12. This is a little bit light. I'm gonna use this to So now I'm going to take my makeup Allegro setting powder. I'm going to use that to set. So now that that is set, I'm going to take a much smaller brush, something very, very small, something you can use to blend this one. I'm going to take this Makeup Revelation. I'm going to take this orange and then blend it like here. To do contour, like I'm so obsessed with this contour powder from Allegro. The pigment is so dark. And you just do this, like you guys can see my cheekbone is already standing. This is how dark it is. It's so nice to contour with. So now what I'm going to do, I like to take this sleek palette. I'm going to take this bronzer here. I'm going to like put it like this is where I contour, like just on top of it a little bit, just to give like that really nice bronzer look. Because I'm not going to wear any blush. I'm going to take this Essence lipstick. I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to use my Black Opera lip liner in Black Plum 02. This is like my hair, guys. So now I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Revelation Oil Control Setting Spray. So this is the finished result of the makeup. The reason why I didn't show you guys where I highlight is because I just did a quick demo / review on this sleek highlighter palette. That video will be up so you guys will check it out. I'll put a link here or in the description box so you guys can go and check it out. There's a reason why I didn't show you guys how I highlight, but yeah, this is the finished look. This is how everything turned out. It looks really nice. I really like the eyes and the nude lipstick. I really like this Essence lipstick, so really nice, really affordable. So yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook page. I'll put all the link in the description box. So vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is your girl Amy. Doeg, bye.